Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Bardeep. Today we are solving question number 6 of exercise 9.5. So let's see what are the questions. Using identities evaluate means we should find the final value of the given questions. So first one is 71 square. So with the help of identities, so that means we should split our number in such a form that it can be converted into any identity that we have done in standard identities. So see here, 71 can be written as 70 plus 1 whole square. So after this we can see that this can be solved with the help of a plus b whole square. So what is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So let's see, this will be a, this is b. So it should be a square, that is 70 square, b square means 1 square, and 2ab. Here we will write because, so whatever identity you are using in your question, please write after applying it so that the examiner will come to know that which identity you are referring. So here it is 70 square. So 7 into 7 is 49. 0 into 0 is 4900. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 70 as 140. Okay, so now we will add them. So this is 4900, 1 and 140. So 1 and 0 is 1, 4. So this is 5041. So now we can see that if you use identities to solve these type of squares, it is very easy to find the answer. Otherwise, we need to find that 71 into 71 and full calculations is required. This is the use of standard identities in which we can make our calculations much easier than the normal method. So now let's move on to the second part. Second part is 99 whole square. Okay, so 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. Okay, we should make the conversion in such a way that it is easier to find their squares. Suppose they are 70, so we know 7 into 7 is 49. Here it is 100, it is easy, 100 minus 1, we will get 99. So we will use 100 minus 1 here. Again this is a minus b whole square. So we will write a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so again we will tell that which identity we are referring. So we will write because a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so next is 100 square. Okay, so 100 into 100 means 1 with 4 zeros. Next 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 100 is 200. Okay, so we will add them first, this and this. So what we will get? 1 0 0 0 1 and we will subtract 200. So 1 0 0 1 minus 200. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 0, and here we will have 10, 10 minus 2 as 8, 9801. So this is 9801. Okay, so this is the second part. Now let's see the third one. Third one is 102 whole square. So 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. So we will write this as 100 plus 2 whole square. So again this is a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square means a square, that is 100 square. B square means 2 square and 2 into a into b. Okay, so we will write here because a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now we will solve this. 100 square, so means 1 with 4 zeros. Okay, 10,000. Next 2 square is 4. and 2 into 100 is 200. 200 into 2 is 400. And now we will add them. So this is 1 0 0 0 0. This is 4 and 400. So this is 4 0 4 0 1. Okay, so our final answer is 10404. That's it for this part. So now let's see the remaining parts of the question. So the fourth part is 998 square. So 998 can be again written as 1000 minus 2. Okay, because if we multiply 998 with 998, it will be a big calculation. But here you can see it is easy. So 1000 minus 2 whole square. Again a minus b whole square. So this is a, this is b. What is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So we will write here because a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So when we will calculate it, this is 1000 square, so means 1 with 6 zeros. 2 square means 4. 2 into 2 as 4. 4 into 1000 as 4000. So here first these two are plus terms, so we will add them first. 1 0 0 0 0 this 4 and then minus 4000. Okay, so now we will solve it. 1 0 0 0 0 4 minus 4000. So 4 minus 0 4. This is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. But this will go 9. This is also 9. So we will get 996,004. So answer is 996,004. Okay. This is the answer for this part. Now let's move on to the next part. So next part is 5.2 whole square. Okay. So 5.2 can be written as 5 and plus 0.2. So we will write it here 5 plus 0.2 because 5 plus 0.2 will be 5.2. So here again a plus b whole square. So this is a, this is b. So when we will use it, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 5 square is 25. 0.2 square means this is 0.2 multiplied by 0.2. And 2 into 5 as 10. 10 into 0.2. Okay. So now remove the decimal, that is 0 and 0. Here also we can remove the decimal. I always remove decimal. You can do calculations in your own way also. I find it easier. So 25, 2 into 2 as 4, 4 over 100. And this 10 and 10 will be cancelled. So this is plus 2. So now what we will do is 25 and 2 are without any decimal. So directly we will add them, that is 27, and this is used for decimal. So this is 0.04 and answer should be 27.04. Okay. So let's move on to the next part. This is 297 into 303. You can see here that 297 is also near to 300 and 303 is also close to 300. So we will split them in such a way that we can get 300 as common number. So if you see 297 can be written as 300 minus 3. Okay. And 303 can be written as 300 plus 3. So which identity we can use? We have same term. See, this and this is same, this and this is same. So but opposite sign. So a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this is a, this is b, this is again a and b. So what is the formula? that is a square minus b square. So again we will write, because a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. So now solve it. 300 square. So 300 square means 3 into 3 is 9 and 4 zeros. Okay. 3 square is 9. So you can solve it. 9 with 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are subtracting 9. Okay. So this is 8 here, 10, then 9, here 10, 9. I think you don't need that I should solve, I should explain these calculations to you. Okay. So here we have 10 minus 9 as 1, 9, 9, 9, 8. This must be clear to you in your lower grades. So here we get answer as 8,991. Okay. This is the solution of 6th part. Now let's move on to the remaining parts. So the 7th part is 78 into 82. As we did in the previous part, 78 and 82 are both near to 80. So we can write 78 as 80 minus 2. Okay. And 82 as 80 plus 2. Okay. So again we can see we have same numbers with opposite signs. So we will use a minus b into a plus b. So what is a minus b into a plus b? First term square, that is a square minus b square. So this is a, this is b, and it should be 80 square minus 2 square, because a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus b square. Right. So 80 square is 8 into 8 as 64. 0 into 0 as 2 zeros. Minus 4. So we will subtract 6400 minus 4. 10 minus 4, then 6396. So 6396 is our answer. So now let's see 8th part, that is 8.9 whole square. So 8.9 is close to 9. So I will write this as 9 minus 0.1 whole square. So now which formula? This is a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Right? So we will write here a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now we will calculate this. 9 into 9 as 81. 0.1 square, that is 0.1 into 0.1. So here we have 2 into 9 as 18. 18 into 0.1. So again, as usual, I will remove the decimals first. So what I will get is 81. 1 by 100. So 1 by 100, and here we have 18 by 10. Okay. So now we will put the decimals, that is 81 plus 2 zeros. Okay. So it is 0.01, and here we have 1.8. Now let's add them. This is 81.01. So I will put 0 here also, and 1.8. So 0 here also, and we will add them. So this is 1. No, we have minus here. So this is the common mistake that all kids do, and even I did here. So it should be minus. So first we will add them. So this is 81.01. So 81.01. Now we will subtract 1.8. So 1.8. 0. 1 minus 0 as 1. This is 10 minus 8 as 2. 0 minus 1. So 0 is again 7 here, and it will be 10 here. 10 minus 1 is 9. And our answer is 79.21. Okay, so this is our 8th part. Now let's see the last part, that is 10.5 into 9.5. So here again 10.5 can be written as 10 plus 0.5. 9.5 can be written as 10 minus 0.5. So 10 is common. So this is 10 plus 0.5, 10 minus 0.5. So which identity? Same terms with opposite sign. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So we will write a square minus b square. So here we will write a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So now let's solve it. 10 square means 100. 5 square is 25. So first let me write in a simple way, that is 0.5 into 0.5, and then my signature step, first I will remove the decimals. So this is 100, 5 into 5 as 25, 25 by 100. So we will get 100 minus 0.25. Okay, so 100 minus 0.25. So again 10 minus 5 as 5. Okay, and 9 minus 2 as 7. So this is 99.75. So my answer is 99.75. Correct? So this is all about question number 6 of the exercise. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with remaining questions of the exercise. Thank you.